So in this video, the screen and screen burning issue I'm just going to talk about. And the device I have, it's S8, it's my personal device. So I completely lost my access to this phone some days back, and to fix this issue, I already screwed this device to know the exact problem, because some days back I even went out and it was raining, so I don't have idea why this thing happened. So I thought that might be due to raining. I need to remove the back cover of this Samsung S8, but the problem did not resolve. And I saw some of the videos as well where they used to tell about the software update and all this. So let me tell you correctly there that is not software issue. That is something which you need to replace your this display, which is going to cost you around 11 to 12,000. That is for Samsung S8. But considering this device now, it's having this problem. So I have tried a lot to have access, because in that case, I have tried. This screen goes completely into, screen burning issue is happening. Screen keeps on blinking, so I don't have any idea. Even adaptive mode is on, so you cannot adjust it. Literally you have no idea, because that some things are happening which is beyond your control. So what you need to do, when this thing is happening, when you do have access to your device, because for the first time you might be facing and this issue could not be resolved, so you need to screw this phone anyhow, and you need to remove all those connections with like display and with all those strings attached. So remove them and attach them again. And if you are not able to access device and this keeps on blinking, because it is consuming battery and it can harm the battery as well in that case. So first go and remove the cord of battery, and let me show you how you can fix this issue. And let me show you, I literally lose my faith in Samsung because of their service. Their service is literally so worst. I went to their service center. Their service center guy told me, sir, how can I help you? But later on he told me that you need to replace this screen bhai. So the experience of Samsung is literally ruined, and I don't think so that they are having premium and service centers, that they are going to work anywhere. You can go with any device, by not paying that much amount. So after facing, I am facing issue with this brand, and being familiar with it, let me so this issue is happening. Let me talk about it, and I'll talk about it briefly, because I am Samsung user and it's really a disappointment for me. And no one wants to replace the screen at the cost which they want us to replace it. So they are costing for about 10 to 12,000, which is not right. I think so that Samsung do provide replacement for this if it is happening from nowhere. But my glass is already shattered from this side, so might be due to that reason. But I lost my faith in Samsung. But I have no other way rather than going for Samsung, just because of the service center availability. At least they are nearby, so you can go for it. But considering this brand is so cheap in providing services, which I really experienced being on call, being in service center. Even their brand showroom is not working that well. I went there to experience all the issues there. And what really happened, I was waiting for some salesman to come and let me explain about the price, but which I was not expecting. At least price tag should be there to have exact idea, what should be the price of device. But that was literally missing in Samsung. So showroom, their brand showroom is literally worst. And the even more worst part of it, that I do have their refrigerator that seems to be vibrating every now and then, but the issue is still there. That is not resolved. Their engineer come and go, and nothing is happening. When you ask for replacement, nothing will happen. This Samsung brand is I'm just losing my faith. But sorry, I have taken so long to explain you what would be the fix in case your screen burning issue, you are facing the screen burning issue. So let me show you first. Yes, when you take it all the way back, yes, the screen green screen issue occurs. So what you can do, let me show you. You can download one app from Google Play Store. It's OLED Saver, and it's a lifesaver for those who really want to solve this problem. I have already installed a screen dimmer, but it was a kind of bug. It didn't work well for some time, so I thought that I had to replace that app with this OLED saver. Let me show you how it works. Okay, so I have already downloaded. You can download it from Play Store if you want. I can leave the link. So let me go back and show you how this works. Yes, it's already downloaded, so you can start service from there. Yes, I think the service is already started. Let me turn the brightness. It looks cool as well, and it's a lifesaver. You know, it lets you, I mean, solve this problem, and it's a temporary fix. You can get a new device rather than facing this. And unfortunately, I need to buy Samsung because no other brand is there in that price range which offers much, and there is no credibility in other brands also. But rather, you can look forward to other brands like Realme and Oppo, OnePlus. They are there. And literally, while facing all this, I need to say that Samsung is not good at their software, their hardware. Mainly, their service is so poor that we cannot think of going with this brand, Samsung. And that is all about, I mean, green issue fix in this video. And this is screen burning, and it cannot be resolved with any software update. This is the hardware problem, so you need to replace your display. In that case, if you just want to resolve it, that will cost, I mean, half the price of you have just bought it. I have just bought it from Flipkart. I don't think so that it would be the new, because I saw some sign of, you know, signatures and all that. So that would not be right if you're buying it from online, because slowly and gradually I'm just losing faith in everything, because no customer service, no nothing is there out there. And it's completely, you know, lacking. And especially their service centers, like I went to their DLF mall in Noida. Sorry, I went to their showroom in DLF mall Noida. I just went there to, you know, check the devices, I mean other devices, if it can buy. Let's see, this issue occurred. So if in case your touch is not responding, what you can do, just turn it off. Don't let it operate, because it will you know, open apps unusually, so you won't be able to access what you need to have access at that particular time. Even while taking calls, I mean, the screen is I mean, completely goes blank, and we are not able to disconnect calls even that point of time. We don't know what to do with this phone. But literally, I mean, I'm just afraid of buying Samsung devices, because slowly and gradually I saw their service centers, and some years back their service was so brilliant. I mean, now things already turned upside down. The way the service center guys responding to us, it was like an average thing. I even experienced a Sony service center when I used to have their device, but it was not the case, unlike the case with Samsung. Might be other users are facing just buying this flagship device, and then you are you know, hearing all this, chalo bhai kar dete hain ye wo, itna cost aayega. So that is not right. You cannot expect any service center to respond you in this way. But now, I mean, I have seen almost all service centers are behaving, I mean, unruly. They don't have etiquettes, and this needs to be responded by all the brands and service centers, especially offline stores. It should, oh sorry, it should be, I mean, strictly restricted. I mean, because that is not the practice which we really want. So that's all in this video, and this is all about the screen burning issue. Okay, bye, thank you.